Yeah, what are your thoughts about the normal W-2 employees, husband and wife? Our target audience are normal, either a single earner family or double earner family, two W-2s coming in the family, and folks really don't have any time for themselves, uh, or for their kids. Forget about insight into investing. I mean, for a lot of these folks, investing is only about investing in stocks. They do not know what is commercial real estate investing is. If you say real estate, they mean single family, buy single family and buy one more rental and one more rental. So I want to pick your brain today. Just tell us something about how commercial real estate investing can help such families.
Yeah, no, thanks so much, Prashant. I mean, I can personally relate to, I think, most of your listeners and the people that, you try to educate with your platform here, because I was a W-2 worker. I grew up in a lower middle class type of family. I was taught, you get a degree, you get a good job, and you work there for a long time. And so I got caught up in this rat race, so to speak, myself. And you just kind of get this tunnel vision, right? Where that job is your world. And you don't really realize other opportunities to invest passively into a vehicle like real estate, and how it can help you build wealth and help you to generate cash flow. And so I didn't even know any of this stuff until about 2018 or so. So just about 4 or 5 years ago myself, and started listening to podcasts like yours, Prashant, and reading books and trying to educate myself. But yeah, no, I think that investing passively into these types of multifamily apartment buildings can just be such a powerful vehicle for investors who, maybe you're really working hard, you and your spouse are working hard, 40 to 60 hours a week, making, what people consider good money, but you feel like you can never truly get ahead, right? Even though you're making what is considered good money. Well, if you can invest in these types of properties where it really doesn't take any of your time, you can make that money work for you, right? As you like to say, Prashant, and really grow that money, generate monthly passive cash flow, become tax efficient, and grow the money so that, all of a sudden in 3, 5 years, 10 years, you've created a small fortune, just by putting some money away into these types of investments, which are completely different than the stock market. They're not really impacted by the stock market. I can tell you our apartment buildings were not impacted by COVID whatsoever. And so it's just great to be able to invest in these, what we call hard assets, because these renters have to have a roof over their head. They pay the rent every month, and then that rent is essentially going in your pocket, as an owner of these properties. So I think it'd be a great vehicle. I know that's what you're trying to kind of educate people on, Prashant.